Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to store plastic bags easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I've shown you how I like to store my plastic bags from time to time. Now, I do have a plastic bag storage unit in the upstairs closet, but sometimes that gets overflown because we have too many plastic bags, so I need to come up with an alternative solution, and this is the alternative solution that I came up with. It's really, really easy, and all that you need is a clothes hanger and your plastic bags. So essentially, you want to take your clothes hanger, okay? I have it just taped to the wall, but regularly this would be obviously in the closet, hanging with the jackets and the clothes and so forth. So you have your hanger hanging in the closet, and you want to get a plastic bag and hang it from the hanger, but you essentially only want to hang the plastic bag from one handle. This allows you to have this big opening over here. Now, within the opening, you can actually store all of your plastic bags. So essentially, in your closet, you're gonna have one hanger that is not being used for your clothing or for your jackets or coats or vests or anything like that. And on that hanger is gonna be a plastic bag hanging by one handle. And then within that plastic bag, you just store all of your other plastic bags. And if you pack them down nicely, you can store lots of plastic bags. Now, the downside is that it sticks out quite a bit, but what you can do is when you're not putting plastic bags in, you can then take the other handle and hook it onto the hanger, and that will make it a little bit not as deep, okay? But when you're storing your plastic bags, or if you don't mind the depth, you can just leave it like that, okay? Very, very simple, really, really useful, really tactical, and it's hidden away in the closet because I see oftentimes people have plastic bags piled up in their kitchen on their counters, and I'm like, literally, you can just store them in the closet. It's way more pleasant to look at when they're stored away in the closet as opposed to just somewhere regularly, somewhere regular in the house that you can always see them. And that's essentially it. I do apologize. I know I caught my tripod over there in a little bit. There I am in the background. I just finished filming a whole bunch of videos, so I got my tripod there, got some other supplies over there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how to store plastic bags easily and properly in this step-by-step tutorial. Super easy life hack that you can use at your own home. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.